Hello lovely viewers, welcome again to the channel. Today we are coming to you from the border of Ghana and Togo, that's Aflao. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes, you will see a notification bell. Click on it to get notified anytime we post our great videos. You can also follow our channel blog at SunsetDroneGh.home.blog for amazing blog content of all our work, and you can also follow us on all our social media sites by searching SunsetDroneGh. Aflao is a town in Ketu South District in the Volta Region on Ghana's border with Togo. Aflao is the 28th most populous settlement in Ghana in terms of population, with a population of 96,550 people. In the 18th century, Aflao served as one of the major markets for the slave trade. Aflao is a big land shared by the border of Ghana and Togo. So we have Aflao of Ghana and Aflao of Togo. The culture of this land is based on their clothes called Kente or kete. Their local music is Agbadja and Brekete. Ghana's authorities plan to create a unique command post at Aflao. Aflao is located on the eastern coast of Ghana and is the major border town with Togo. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes, you see a notification bell. Click on it and select all in the prompt so that whenever you post our amazing videos, you can watch them. This is a very beautiful town with nice settlements and people. A great town with people coming from all our neighboring towns such as Togo, Benin, and Nigeria, who happen to enter Ghana. Most of them do settle at this town. The Diamond Smith Ghana Limited factory is located at Aflao. In early 2014, a 2.5 kilometer rail siding was completed to connect the cement works to the port of Lomé. This siding crosses the border from Togo to Ghana and is of the 1,000mm gauge. There are also public transports from Aflao to major cities such as Accra, Kumasi, Techiman, Mim Inahafo, Sunyane, Takoradi, Tema, Ho, Wa, Bolgatanga, and Elbow. Please, thank you for always watching our videos. Please keep watching our videos. Watch this video to the end, as you are going to love the amazing views of Aflao, the town that is being bordered by Ghana and Togo. And please do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that whenever we post our content, you'll be able to watch them.